Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you a beautiful wavy hair for the summer. And this is a customized wavy hair with a 5x5 closure, medium cap. See the inside structure of our closure wig. See, it's a transparent lace closure, 5x5 size. You can see 5x5 is pretty nice lace size, which you can part in from here and see the hairline, and see the wavy and the hair. Very beautiful wavy, very popular for the summertime right now. This is a 16 inches hair. And see how beautiful is the wavy. So many people asking what type of wig we can do. Actually, Joice Hair can do all type of wigs, no matter for lace wigs, including this type of closure wig, 4x4 closure wig, 5x5 closure wig, 6x6 closure wig even. And we can also do 13x4 lace frontal wig, like no matter in HD lace or in transparent lace both. And we can also do headband wigs. In previous video I have showed you a lot about the headband wig, and Joice Hair focus on the quality hair. We do all quality hair, which is highest quality in the market and most cost effective choice. So if you're looking for hair, if you're looking for quality wigs, make sure contact Joice Hair and place your order on www.joicehair.com. And thank you for watching today's video and see this beautiful wavy we make. And have a great day, have a good time.